we got a drone. Got this for free from the company to check out so you can see how it performs and what I think about it, and more importantly, what my kids think about it, because this is a toy drone, definitely. Let me show you up close and personal, and I'll even fly it for you. So it comes with several things I'm happy about. 3 battery packs, so you can have one charging up while you're using this thing, which it lasts, 3-4 minutes of flight time, depending on what you're doing, is what we've found so far. Maybe 5 or 6 if you're lucky. Depends on the wind and the power consumption. But you can have one charging and you have one going, and then you pull that out and you get that one charging, and then you get this one going. And by the time that happens, you are ready to cycle this one back in. Make sure you rotate those so the charges stay good. Comes with some propellers and a USB-C to USB-A charger. It accepts USB-C, I believe. Oh wait, it's on the battery. Yeah, USB-C is on the battery, USB-A into the port. This guy accepts 3 AAA batteries, and it does come with those, so that's nice. I like it when places actually furnish you with the batteries. To set this thing up, push that into place. Got the power button right here. Press and hold. It lights up just like this. Then on here, turn this on, and this thing will indicate that it is connected by going like this. And I'm going to move this out of the way of my camera, and we're going to take flight now. All you got to do is press this button. So it works pretty good so far. We've been using this for several days. It's got this on and off button, or this lift off button that you press, and boom, it just goes straight up and it hovers. It kind of hovers in place, but really it wants to move around. So like I'm not touching anything and it's kind of straying around a little bit. You can go up and down. Now if you wreck like I just did, it makes you turn the unit off and then back on to reconnect and everything. It'll start flashing red lights if you do wreck into something. We've wrecked pretty hard because we don't know what we're doing with this stuff, and it's been totally fine so far. Alright, so we're going to lift off again here. You can actually change the colors on it if you want to. Woo! You go back and forth like this. Up, down, up, down. And if you're up here, you got the 360 button where it does a little flip. It's pretty cool. Barely enough room, whoa, in my office for that to work. Woo! So this is cool. This is the first drone that my kids have used, and really the first drone I've really used too. So I'm getting used to flying this thing myself. It's pretty neat. And for like a toy product, I've been impressed. I mean, this guy does, and we're stuck. That's user error on my part. But I've been impressed, and I don't know if you can see it, that red flashing light down there. It'll flash red and crazy like that, presumably so you can find it if you're a long way away from it when it went crazy or when you lost it. But yeah, this has been a super nice product. I'm very glad that we got it to try out, and my kids have loved it. Highly recommend.